It's my real hair. No, it's not the real color, but this is my real hair. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. And if you're new, can you sit on the back of the chair? Yeah. Let me introduce you to Fabfitfun. Are you summer? Summer 2026. Yeah. It's a pretty big box. I don't think I ordered anything big. I'm like 51% sure I ordered just like skincare, maybe some makeup. The fun part about these subscription boxes is I don't 100% remember what I picked because I picked it like a long time ago. So we're gonna open this and be surprised together. And if you're new to Fabfitfun, editing me is like so good at what she does most of the time, and she's gonna leave information about the box down below in the description. Let's say in the comments, and I guess I can technically. I don't know where my cloud knife is, so I've been using a real normal human knife to open boxes, and I don't know if I could show that on here. Probably not. Oh, don't tip it sideways. So, oh, this is cute. Did I not just do a Fabfitfun video? Not too long ago, right? You remember? I'm trying to fit it all in the screen, honestly. Do you remember how long ago it was I did the video? Ooh. Me neither. Sun's out, fun's out. These boxes are, see all the weight? These boxes are always so cute. And feeling lucky skin here to enter and win big. We have paper. Hello Fresh. Milk, not milk, milk. Ooh, don't start me on this because now I'm gonna almond milk, M-A-L-K. I get I'll put you right here because now I'm confused. But this is the box. Ooh. Sorry. I'm gonna set it down here on the chair next to me. Pull up my app on the phone because I don't have my life together. Oh, I do. Actually, I lied. And I got an extra. I did get an extra item. Okay, we're gonna go through this together, and I'm just gonna share with you what I got because this is kind of cool. And I think I know. Hello. Did you send me a snack jar sticker? Pure organic twisted fruit bites made with real fruit, cherries, and juices. Strawberry mango. Hungry, so ooh, slimy. Those are good. But first item in my box, and I don't know who wouldn't have picked this, honestly. I wasn't gonna. First of all, I wasn't gonna, but everything else in the category kind of sucked. Just an overview. You get to pick from 6 categories. Everything's supposed to be full-size items. Lifestyle, beauty, wellness. This is a nice Protec. Amazon. Take note, because I ordered from Amazon one time. Came super scuffed and dented. This is the Stanley, the Quencher H2.0 tumbler, 40 ounces. Stanley. Meet original Stanley. I have this purple one, to be fair, this purple one, and the matcha colored one. That's it. So I go between. I switch on, switch off. Like every other week, wash one, use the other, wash, back and forth. But now, we have a third plate. Oh, is this a black straw and a black? I like the shiny. And we come with our papers? I wasn't asking, but thanks, I guess. And I don't clean these as well as I should. That's what my man's is for. He's like chef's kiss when he takes these little things off. Did you know these come off? This comes off and this comes off. Cool. Now I'm gonna have to buy accessories for it, because like I do have accessories for them. I have the little lid thingy, I have my nameplate that I put right here, and I usually have a boot for them. I don't on this one because we just recently went to the beach, and I feel like all those little silicone pieces get sand stuck to them, so I didn't bring them. This guy, however, gosh, twins. I know I don't need it. All I put in mine is water, by the way. What do you guys put in yours? Who else picked a Stanley? By the way, if you picked anything else, or if you picked whatever you picked, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious, like, did you pick a Stanley? Did you pick the pink one? Because there's this black rainbow one, and there's a pink one, and then some other gobbledygook. So I got this. Stanley here is $55. I feel like it's kind of worth it. I can't lie. I feel like for me, the Stanley was an investment to not only drink water. It's pretty cool, handy, carrying it around. I do like to keep things on here, like my earbuds. If I have like a toothpick, something like that. My keys, if I'm just walking around or I'm going somewhere, I'll like hang them on here too. It's really accessorizes, customizable. There you go. Super cute. And I feel like a boss bee when I come home and I'm like the only one here, but I have to walk to the mailbox to go check the mail. Like, self-protection. Stanley. It just means Stanley. Also, I feel like I do drink more water, so I don't know if editing me is going to leave all that in, because that's a lot of information, but it's all helpful information, you know? What do you put in your Stanleys? Anywho, on to the next item. It's from Supergoop, which I know I've mentioned on here before. Yep, there you are. I'm not a fan of this brand, but it was an option, so I got it. This is the Supergoop Protec Tint Daily SPF Tint SPF 50 Sunscreen Skin Tint. $44 for a lot of repetitive words. This is the Supergoop Protec Tint Daily SPF Tint. SPF 50. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's got PA+++++. And I got the shade 22W. That's what I picked? That looks hella dark. Light, neutral, warm. We're gonna have to see. At least from that sticker on top, you and I, if you're looking at the screen right now, we both know, because I'm looking at my screen, I'm looking at my mirror, I'm looking at my mirror, I'm looking at my mirror. That's not me, silly. But can I see? Let me show you what the little bottle looks like. I didn't think it was going to be this small. Alright. That's itty, for how much? $44, ladies and gentlemen. And you're supposed to use, what, a quarter teaspoon every day to start your day. This does not look like that color, by the way, so we might have a good video coming up, good review. I hope so. I want to cross my fingers, but I don't, because it's like, but anyway, $44. I'm gonna set that right there. On to the next item. And I forget, one of these I picked as my choice and another one is an add-on. I don't remember which one. So I'll start with you. From Patrick Starrr. Well, one size. It's the one size by Patrick Starrr. Secure the Sweat Proof doesn't say. Dry Till Dawn Primer. Mattifying? Are you what I picked? Aluminum for, and you like completely cut off. Cool. Aluminum free, I'm assuming? Do you want to tell me? Poor little thing just got destroyed. Mattifying. I didn't know it was mattifying. It doesn't say mattifying on here. Let's open her up. Yeah, this is the only picture you see on there, which is still kind of cute. Are you like, oh yeah, you're a firm aluminum tube. I need to buy one of those things, you know, like you put on the end of the tube and then you like crank it and it squeezes it and like squeezes it for you. Do you know what I'm talking about? I barely know what I'm talking about, but I think I'm saying it well, but that's what I need. How much were you? $34. Once upon a time, I had this wonderful woman do my makeup for me in Sephora. Not 100% the look I wanted for the occasion, but the look was so good. So good. And she used some Patrick Starrr, some one size stuff, and I loved it. So that explains why I got this one size by Patrick Starrr Until Dawn Mattifying Sunscreen Makeup Setting Spray. But it's SPF 28, so I was like, what the French fry? This was $39, but I don't think I paid $39. I think I paid less, maybe half, $18, something like that. But how do you get SPF 20? I mean, I understand how the SPFs come around, but 28? That's odd. I don't like that you say sunscreen on here, because that makes me think like I could just put it all over my body. I mean, technically you can, but when this goes on, this is supposed to be like the Until Dawn is supposed to be like stick and stick. Like it's supposed to be one of these. Like set it, forget it. It's not coming off for 3 days. Kind of good, right? I don't know. How much were you? Retail, $39. I don't think I paid $39. I'm pretty sure I paid like $16, $18. I don't remember. But I did get that one. I'm going to try that. Exciting. We'll see. I did. Oh, no, we're not going to. I could just ramble on and on. I swear. Next item, which I should not have done this. It's from DR.JART. It's the Every Sunday Invisible Korean Sunscreen Stick SPF 40. Somehow it says it's got UVA, UVB protection, but there's no PA rating on here, which is what the UVA rating would be. We're sealed on the top, not on the bottom. And there's no Korean in sight on this box. It's all American. Are you made in America? Because there's a difference. The first ingredient, dimethicone synthetic wax. All right. Well, the regrets I'm having. Yeah, here it is. Can I? Give me this little guy. Tweezer. Remember my little trick with a tweezer? Put it in, twist, and it comes up. No problem. So if I don't like the way this looks and I want to give it away, I can just reseal the box, and the box still looks pretty. Because I feel like sometimes people want the... This is what it looks like. Yeah. Apply liberally and evenly 15 minutes before sun exposure. Yeah, I guess we could try it. Yeah. To be fair, and I don't know if it's up yet or not, I did do a Supergoop sun stick. It was meant for kids and babies. So, I mean, if I did that one, I guess I can do this one. And if I don't like it, the kids are very active and sporty, so I love that they love the sun sticks. So, I'll just pass that off to them. How much was that? How much was that supposed to be? $30. Okay. Ooh, next item. I love this brand. It's Spongelle. It's the Pedi Buffer in Honey Blossom. I'm actually going to take this into the shower with me today because that smells really good. 30 plus uses. How much is it? $23. Never would I ever pay that much for something like this. But if it's an option in a category for something, and this was not on like the little preview for things you could select, so I was so glad when this was one of the choices, because sometimes when you get to the 5th and 6th categories, I feel like it's just, they just throw stuff at you. I don't like it. So, smells so good. I don't think I've ever used a Pedi buffer from them. This will be a first. Is it gonna go good? I hope it goes good. But yeah, $23. And this last item is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist for $29. Yeah, come here. I need to open you so I can show you. I don't think I've tried this one before. That's a tiny little bit, but still cute. Do I have any? No? Yeah, no. $29 though. Yeah. Okay, we'll give it a try. Does it smell watermelon-y? Hello? Ooh. Oh. Oh. That is a real fine, yeah, I got a full cake base of makeup. But that feels nice on my skin. Slightly watermelon-y, not like crazy. Did I just put you back in here? And I think I've tried the toner. I want to say the toner essence serum from Glow Recipe, the watermelon one. Oh, so nice. So, like, it's not the best, it's not the world's greatest, but it's still very nice. So, if you're in a pinch and you want something cute. Is that everybody? Hello? Yeah, that's everybody. That's everybody. That's the whole box. Is that not cute? I love that they do that to their boxes. It looks adorable. Can I put everyone back in here nice and neat? Oh, we should probably start with Stanley. Stanley. Just don't. It's gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall. Please don't fall. That's. Are we in screen? Everybody, yeah? This is my summer 2025 Fabfitfun box with an extra item. Stanley doesn't fit. Not nicely. Like, it'll lay down, but anywho, that's it. That's our whole box. We're done. Yay! That's heavy. Anywho, thank you for hanging out. That's my whole Fabfitfun box. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna enjoy it. Yeah. I don't know. Well, like, I have a lifestyle thing because the Stanley's a lifestyle thing. I was gonna say I have mostly beauty, skincare, but Stanley's a lifestyle or wellness. I don't know. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna stop yapping. We're done. I'm done. This is done. But if you want to watch more, you can always go to my playlist, my Fabfitfun playlist. I have all my previous boxes I've gotten in there. Yeah. That's everybody. That's everybody. Those fruit snacks were good, by the way. I was eating them and editing me is going to edit that out. But I will catch you in my next video. Bye!